Hi everyone, you're almost welcome to today's workshop as we are really going to be getting to know more about a healthy diet, like eating a healthy diet. We'll really get to know that how to implement it and why is it really important. Sometimes you maybe sit down there and then you're like, what's a healthy diet? Why is it really important? Am I really supposed really to have a healthy diet, and what can I really do, and what really consists of a healthy diet or healthy meal? My name is Rosemary Apio, and I'll be taking you through as we get to understand the importance of eating a healthy diet and how to prepare healthy meals. So feel free and comfortable as we really get to know more about it. And at the end, we'll be really expected to ask some questions and really to know more. Is there anything that you know that wasn't really covered? So please feel free to share with us as we go through. Have you ever asked yourself why having a healthy diet is important and how to implement it in your daily meals? So if you really you have never really thought about that, or you have really thought about it before, this is really a great opportunity for all of us to share and really get to know the importance of a healthy diet and how we can really implement it. So simply, a healthy diet is essential for good health and nutrition. So if really we all really want good health, have you really ever sat there and then you feel like certain part of your body you're really not feeling fine and you're really struggling a lot? Yeah, that's it. And so we really need to implement a healthy diet to have good health and for also proper nutrition so that we cannot be malnourished. So it also protects us against many chronic non-communicable diseases such as diabetes. Diabetes, it can really be devastating, and it's that illness that really drives all your strength away. So for us to be free from diseases, chronic diseases, we really need to implement a healthy diet. So like eating a variety of foods and consuming less salt and sugars and saturated and industrially produced trans fats are essential for a healthy diet. Please remember that less salt is important and sugars. And we really need to do away with produced sugars, like manufactured sugars. We need to look out for healthy sugars. Like those sugars we get from fruit, like natural fruit, they're really good for us. So we really need to do away with all these fats. We really need fats in our bodies, but not really too much of them. Consuming a lot of them will really give a negative impact to our bodies. So we really need to look out for healthier ones. A proper meal plan helps to attain ideal body weight and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes. Diabetes, oh my goodness, we all really need a healthy body. Like that body weight that you really have it and then you don't even feel burdened to have it. Yeah, that's it. And so we really need a proper meal, like a meal plan. You plan it out and you just know how it really go through as we continue really get to know how to prepare a meal. So as you really plan it in your daily meals each and every day, it will really have a great impact to your health. It will really help you a lot. Eating a healthy diet will contribute to feeling great, having more energy, improving your health, and boosting your mood. We all really, when you wake up and then you feel like, that zeal, all that energy to go through the day. We all really need that. And then we all really want to feel great, right? So you start by having a healthy diet, eating a healthy diet. like healthy meals. It will really make you feel great. And it will also improve your health. We all craft for better health. We might feel like we really have like this really good health, but really, we really need that. And boosting your mood, like having that good, fresh mood, and you really feel like everything is just so fine. Try really having a healthy meal. You just really feel that afterwards. So we'll really look at what a healthy meal, a healthy diet really gets. What are we supposed to have in it? First of all, vegetables such as leafy fruits, greens, starchy vegetables, legumes like beans and peas are really, really good for your body. So fruits that also include whole grains, fresh or frozen fruits, they're good for our health. But please remember, canned ones dipped in syrup, they are not good. Like fruits, those ones dipped in syrup, they're not really good for our health. Please try not to consume those ones. They're not really part of a healthy diet. And grains such as whole grains and refined grains, for example, brown rice, it's really good for us. Please try those ones out. Brown rice is so nutritious. If implemented in our diet, it can really contribute to better health. Proteins such as, I think we already get to be excited, I think, about all the proteins and all that. So like, let's look at like proteins such as pork, chicken, and fish. Wow, we are all here, right? And then you're like, oh yeah, I eat chicken, I eat this, but please, for a healthy diet, eat it sparingly. Don't please eat it daily because it's part of a healthy diet. And dairy products such as low-fat milk, yogurt, and cottage cheese, they're really good for our health. So please try them out. Please remember to look out for that milk that is of low fat. We need fats in our bodies, but not a lot. How to create a healthy diet, the most exciting part. Yeah, here we are. You see, we have all these fruits with us. It's so like good for our health, and we have all these ones. For instance, I'm planning to eat rice and beans for today. And so for me, one of the things is like I would really like to include green vegetables and fruits like bananas to my rice and beans, as like, yeah, to implement it, like to eat that. So that's basically what it really takes. You really need to put all the things together. You want rice and beans? Please put also green vegetables and fruits. That's how we can really prepare a healthy meal. Please ensure that you minimize your intake of salt and sugars. We can all achieve the goal of eating a healthy diet. If you have any questions, please ask them now. Thank you all for being here today. I truly, really appreciate the opportunity that you have given unto me, and also to be here to listen, to be here in this our healthy diet workshop. Thank you so much.